name is Je m'appelle Aru Mera from a beautiful city called Lyon.
Buon après-midi. Je m'appelle Tania Alberta Mera. Nous sommes très heureux de vous avoir parmi nous aujourd'hui. Nous n'aurions jamais pensé pouvoir faire une visite virtuelle de la France, mais grâce à vous que nous pouvons en avoir une. Nous vous remercions pour cette merveilleuse opportunité.
Ok, voilà, merci beaucoup. C'est le bâtiment de la mairie. Mairie is something like this, a big building with the horloge on the top. Can you see a clock on the top?
Oui.
You can also see the sky. It's clearing. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. And I actually want to speak to you about the importance of mairie in a French life. And this building, as you can see, has 3 flags on it. The first on the left-hand side is the European Union flag. The one in the middle is actually the French flag, the French national flag, and the one on the right-hand side is the La Mairie's flag. So by law, every official building in France, it will have 2 flags obligatory. It's official, the European Union flag and the flag of the nation. In Europe, the health and the education is taken care by the government. So basically, we don't pay for our medicines and the doctors, and we also don't pay for the education fees of our kids. We must register your marriage here in the mairie. Not only that, once there is a death or there is a birth, all you have to register in the mairie. Mairie has a cultural center. So, for example, can you see theatre on the top? Theatre written. It's a theater just near a part of mairie, and theater does not mean movie. This is a theater for drama, for music, for cultural shows, and just on the left-hand side of mairie, you have la piscine. Vous voyez la piscine ici? The schools are divided into 3 parts. So the first part is called École Primaire. Till 10 years of age, you go to École Primaire. Then from 11 to 15 years age, you go to something called collège. After collège comes lycée. Lycée is your 10th, 11th, and 12th. And lycée means that the level of education and all that increases a lot. The timings are a lot here. So this is a monument of the Mariam. Can you see? What is it?
A gun.
That she has on her hand?
A gun.
A rifle. A gun. So this, she has a gun on her one hand, and another hand has the chain on it, and it says Kobe des Champs Allemands. And now, which means that this is a monument for the Germans who died here in the World War II. It is futile to go on war, and that is why they decided that we will form a union, which is European Union, where we will not fight, and we will remember that the trouble and the destruction that we had in World War. See, across the road there is a pharmacy. Now we don't pay for our medicines. We have something called Carte Vitale. Okay, I'll show you the Carte Vitale. It is like this. It has a chip on it. It has my photo. It has, so this is Carte Vitale. All I have to do is show it to the counter with my prescription, and I get the medicine free. Every bus stop in France, has a écran, and this board has the timings on it. So this bus is driven by a woman, as you can see. There are many women drivers here. Can you see 3 boxes here? Now these are called les boîtes de déchets. So a waste in French is called déchets, and these are called poubelles. One box is for the plastic, so you can only put the non-biodegradable things there. One is for biodegradable. The third one is for the verre, which means the glasses. So this is how the waste is managed here, and people actually follow the rule. Facade is the outer part of the building. Now, by the government regulation, all the facade has to be same. You see Velo written there? Now this is a Velo station. Trottinette and bicycles are now a habit of the young people like you and all the people who are in universities and even adults. Bonjour, monsieur. C'est mes étudiants en Inde. C'est pour juste expliquer. So you have the bride and the bridegroom saying hi to you. Okay. Merci, monsieur. Merci beaucoup. Et bon courage. So they have put every 100 meters in every city like Paris, Lyon, or any other major or minor cities. They have put this. All I have to do is and it's free. It's for the public. I just have to do is I have to put my hand here. There will be a green this thing which will come, which will sense my hand, which will drop the hydrochloric, and I can clean my hands with it, and then I go. I'm going to take you towards the McDonald's. So this is the start of the street. McDonald's is very popular in France. After US, France has the maximum number of McDonald's. You can start asking questions.
Sir, you said that in France, ma'am, sir, 11 to 15 years child have to go to college. So they go on 6:30 and come back at 5:30.
Yes.
So, sir, how many hours do they have to go in their middle school?
In the middle school, it's about 10 to 11 hours, depending on some days they have 11 hours because they have sports.
I had a doubt, sir, when you showed us the place where there was this big statue. I don't remember the name, sir.
La Mariam, La Mariam. Yes.
Sir, why was there a woman holding a gun and chain? Sir, you told us the story about it.
That's very good question. I'm glad you asked. That is because the French fraternité, égalité, liberté, the thing that you see in the French Constitution, it is the Mariam of that woman. Is the country is like a woman who actually takes care of you, who provides you food, who provides you safety and security. So that is why it is a woman and not a man.
But why was she tied with a chain?
Okay, she was tied with a chain faced with these problems of where we chain ourselves with different views. The gun and the chains of the society, of the beliefs, does not add value to the society. It actually kills the society, and it's a regressive step. I'm just going to show you a parking stand here. So in India, when you park your vehicle, you basically have a parking attendant. Here you don't have. So you have you have something like this. You pay by hour, and that's the parking ticket that you have. And these people who are in line are lined for a boucherie, okay, a meat shop. I will let you discover that. Au revoir. Ciao.